Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be starting Spring Forest, called the other one Summer Forest, I believe that's what it was. And we're going to be starting right down in here on this little mouse. So the color is 436. Let me pull you in. Holy cow. Man, I've never been so happy for it to be Thursday in my entire life. Yeah, yesterday was just a bit of a bit. Holy cow. I just thought they'd never stop coming. But I got home, went and made myself a cup of tea, and I made some of my fish and my french fries, and just sat down and vegged. I was just absolutely done. Done. What can I say? Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. So anybody else doing anything fun and exciting this week? What's everybody else working on? I worked on some of the fish and the lotus. I guess it's goldfish and lotus, to be precise. And did that before I went to work. Just put in a few strands because it's 14 count. And that was about all she wrote. I sat there, turned on Netflix onto something I've seen 500 times, and just let the world go by because I was done thinking. I knew if I picked up a cross stitch to stitch on, I would mess something up, so just kept moving. I was going to say, you might not be able to tell where I'm working, but it's like his nose is right in there somewhere while I was thinking about it, but you're going to have to get all that back stitching in there for it to even remotely look like, you know, it's anything. I have to go to the grocery store and pick up cat food and, you know, all the necessities for the weekend. Still really haven't decided what I'm gonna fix. Just nothing too extensive, shall we say. Thought about having nachos, because that's fairly easy and it doesn't heat up the entire house. Oh, come on. I love it when I do that. Get a knot for some reason. Hold, please. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, it just would not come out, so I had to restart my thread. I have no idea where that even remotely came from. Holy moly. That's a good start, huh? I'm telling you. I don't know where else this brown goes. It might go into some of the branches and sticks, you know, that are on the ground. But there was only one strand of 6 threads, shall we say, to the whole thing. So, must not go too far. And it could possibly be, you know, some of the back stitching. Because there's some brown in there's like leaves or sticks and stuff down here. So we'll have to see. But there wasn't too much of this thread. There's not too much of any of the other threads. Except for 310 black. It was a biggie on the list. And maybe the white, but wasn't too much. And it's what I call a partial. The central picture is pretty full coverage and condensed, just like the others. I've got to go all the way down here. Holy cow. Come on, come on, come on. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to work on, anything like that. Just got to get to the grocery store and back. That'll be the fun time. And I don't want anything hot, you know, to eat. I hate that because, you know, I can think about 5,000 things to cook that are hot, you know. Let me pull you in this way. I gotta get it a little bit closer. So we'll see what I end up with. Anything that's not chicken or pizza, because I'm really sick to death of chicken and pizza. So maybe something with hamburger. That's why I was thinking of nachos. And I'm not real fond of, like taco salad. That just doesn't do it for me. Whoops. Come on. It's a little confettied right through here. And I started at the wrong side. I'm having a good day. Maybe it's not a good day to stitch. What do you think? Just kind of walk away from the needle and the canvas and go do something else. Yeah. I have days like that. Do y'all have days like that? Where nothing is going right. Had that problem a while back. I was working on the cats that are looking into the pond. Yeah. I put a whole shade of green in, and it was totally the wrong thing. Yeah. So some days it's a good day to stitch, and others not so much. The weather was just absolutely fabulous all day. I didn't notice any wind. Of course, I didn't have much time to stop and do much of anything yesterday. When I finally shut the doors, it was like, did I do everything I was supposed to do? Jeez. God, what is with the holes here? They act like I can't see the holes. And it's not their fault. It's operator error. It's like they start and stop at a different... someplace where I think it's supposed to be, but it's actually not. So what is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun. Oh, you know what I ran into? Do you remember the 4 seasons that I had? And it's like 4 seasons in one. With, you know, I want to say they're kind of strips. You know, like whoops, sorry, my bad. Goes across the whole thing like that, and one strip is winter, and then spring, and then summer, and then fall, or however it all went. But yeah, I haven't seen that one in a hot moment, so maybe I'll get it out this week. Sometime. I have no idea where I'm at. I don't even think I started on the winter section. I was working on, I guess, spring and summer. The last time I had it, I about had the top season done. But yeah. And it's not a difficult stitch at all. Now the, what do you call it? The border is a little bit nuts because it's got flowers running down the sides of it. And so you have to do a little dab of each color. So you just got to keep moving instead of, you know, cutting them each time. Yeah, that got to be a little bit old. But yeah, I really like that one. So maybe we'll pick it up here someday soon. Man, I can hardly wait to get out of this corner. It's busy for some reason. I don't know. Okay, we're going to turn the whole thing around here in a minute. And maybe it'll be easier to see. Come on. Thank you. Put that over there just so I know where it's at. I got my cat out today because I don't believe I have any mice. I have rabbits. I have a couple rabbits, I think. The only mice I have is Mickey and Minnie, and I guess I could have used that, but it didn't even occur to me until right now. Okay, let's start someplace where we can actually see what we're doing. This is one that I definitely should have started in the corner. It's where I started the last one, but I thought, no, I really want to work on the mouse, so here we are. Yeah. And this was the symbol that had the most color in it. Well, this seems to be going a lot better than the last batch. I don't know, sometimes when it's surrounded by busy symbols, I can't figure out where I'm supposed to actually stitch. So it gets to be a bit much sometimes. I don't need you. There we go. Come on. Still haven't heard anything from my daughter. I'll call her later on today and see if there's any grandiose plans for the weekend. I doubt it. They'll probably go down to the fireworks like I told you at the rodeo grounds, but I got no desire to go there. So when the kids were little, they knew some people, or this older man, that they helped take care of his property. Well, when they were little, they'd get little tiny fireworks, you know, the ones that are totally on the ground. They ain't going nowhere. They might spin a little bit, but they haven't done that in a coon's age because everybody's big now, you know. And there's not really a good place to go because I'm sure they'd shut you down in the National Forest in a heartbeat. So that probably won't be happening. So there's just not much of an area to go. It's nice and flat there at the rodeo ground. And they let people, you know, on the outside, not the outside, like they've got all their stuff set up back a little bit further. So people, if they want, they can just do their fireworks right there in front of them, maybe by couple 5,000 feet. I don't know. It's a big area, like a big, huge parking lot. But I mean, it's dirt, so there's nothing to catch on fire there. So yeah, and with the fire department and the police department standing there, you know, you can only do so much. And they can't have fireworks here in the park at all. Okay, thread, you're getting on my last nerve here. Come on. Whoa. I don't know what's wrong with this thread, but it's just messing with me today. That's what happens when I start someplace other than the edge. So hopefully you can see where I'm stitching. I will show it to you when I get through this thread, but okay, you've got to go. the thread gets to a certain length and then it keeps catching on my my thimble here. It's fun that way. I notice when I'm trying to run out of some thread and I get it way down there, you know, and I got about 4 inches left. Every time I turn that needle, doing it the sewing method, it stops on that silicone thimble. So, and I, for the life of me, don't know where my metal one is. It's here somewhere, hiding. Hoping I won't take up quilting again. I used that thing, I probably quilted 8 quilts with that one thimble. So, yay. But no, don't get excited. I'm not going back into quilting. Too much hand sewing for me. Is it hot where y'all are at? We didn't even, I don't think we crested 80 today. It just seemed warm because the other day, what was that? Was it Monday or was that Tuesday? Could have been Tuesday. When it was cooler, you know, by good 10 degrees. So it felt warmer yesterday. But I kept looking at the temperature thing and it was only about 75. So not too bad at all. Alright guys, I'm kind of, yeah. So it probably won't even look like, let me move the cat and put it up there. Let me bring you down. There we go. Yeah, you probably can't see much, but there, let me fold that back. There is his ear. So this has to be part of his face where we were at. And then he's kind of crunched up, you know. So this is the back of him. So like I said, most of this will not look like anything until you get that back stitching in. So fun times ahead, huh? Alright guys, thanks for joining me. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.